sanction of loans under CCRC, which is loaning to the tenant farmers. Loaning to the tenant farmers was, the target was 600 crores. And that has been, so that was achieved to 160 crores, in which banks' performance, which was below 10%, and the request was to come to at least double digits. You remember? Those of you who are present? Now, there is, and I request the RBI to make note and please ensure that there is no point of doing these meetings if this is
any control on the disbursements, sir. And this we had already.
Branch level, you have 5 rural branches.
But branches are there, sir. I mean to
Did
say.
you do any business apart from CCRC loans in last 6 months in these branches? Did you open your regular recurring account, savings accounts open chesara?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Loaning chesara?
Loans only few loans is there, sir.
మీరు ఒక్క లోన్ అయినా నార్మల్ సేవింగ్స్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ లోన్ ఇచ్చారు అమ్మా ఇస్తున్నారేనా branches are capable of loaning operations.
Yes, sir.
When your branch is capable of loaning operations, why can't they give tenant farmer loan చెప్పండి?
Sir, whatever loans we do, the process completely done through regional office, which is in Vijayawada, and branch level, not even single powers we have.
What is this I said? Babu,
the loan originates here, right?
how many have you processed? In any process?
No, sir. No instruction as of now. Once we receive.
This should be noted by the RBI of Kotak Mahindra Bank. There is no instruction regarding participation in financial inclusion related to rural economy and agriculture of the district. This is unacceptable, and I will be looking to part 2. This will go to RBI headquarters. I will talk to RBI chairman sir if there is need. He is from our own community, he is also an excise officer. We call up and we tell. SLPC కి వాల్యూ లేదు కదా, మీరు SLPC లో చెప్పారు వాల్యూ ఉంటే ఇది జరిగేది కదా. Why hasn't this happened? Are their objective is only profit? Question is on you might be. Why is it like this? Come on, check to that. This is not called achievement. What is the percentage? Tell me, don't tell me about absolute number. What is the percentage achievement on your target? Not even 1%. At District Cooperative Bank, your lending to tenant farmer is below 1%. Is that right? Isn't it? That is the number, kada? You please write a scathing letter to who is your secretary in charge? Find repeated requests. DCCB has failed to extend any loan within reasonable limits to tenant farmers, especially the SC/ST farmers in the district. What is your target for CCRC loans and how much have you given?
It is 26.45 lakhs. Why it is? Last meeting we had a meeting with all the branches in the district, and we have improved, and we will improve and see to it that next meeting not less than this. Definitely.
The crop loan, and there is a loan, long-term loan on land. Crop loan is a short-term loan. Asset life match loaning is not happening. This delinquency, not doing a single loan and telling us in this forum issues like we do not have the capacity to. Why we will recommend for Kotak Mahindra's all branches to be removed from rural from the district. Can we take that call? Can we write? Okay. Kotak Mahindra should shut down all its branches in the district. No, I am not some pleader here. I am not pleading to you. This is your responsibility. Financial inclusion, lending to SC/ST farmers, marginal landowners. is your responsibility. You in this meeting, in a recorded video, have told that you don't process loans here. And you have
We do, sir, but the only thing is-
record. Whatever this forum is, that you please shut down all your branches in the district, pack up and leave. Okay? You should be responsible for the reaction now. To please shut down all your branches and leave. All branches, JLD, all branches of Kotak Mahindra should be shut down in the Godavari district. RBI, please take note, please support. If you have a branch which has a catchment area which has rural population in it, please ensure that CCRC lending happens. Otherwise, that branch should not be there. Every branch should be able to do a couple of loans or no? That isn't the big thing now. Every branch should be able to, let us say you have some branches which are not able to do CCRC loaning as of now. Please ensure all rural branches should definitely have done loaning to CCRC card holders. Is that clear, everybody? Branch ID. Whichever bank is there giving loans to CCRC cards, better than you, that single branch is sufficient. ఇంత పెనిట్రేషన్ అవసరం లేదు. ఉన్న మీరు బండి అక్కడ బిల్డింగ్ పెట్టేసి ఊరికి ఉండటం వల్ల మాకు లాభం ఏంటి? It is not as if financial inclusion horizontal spread is increasing by your presence. So let us not do that. Banking correspondent transactions and RBKs. Transactions is spelling low SAC Udani SEC Udabadu. Anyways, Gatamlo it was 1 month ago it was 180 RBKs not started. Now it is 91 RBKs not started. See again, Kotak Mahindra one also has not gone to the local RBK. Why?
So existing buyer, and we had this already informed our regional level and HO level. The
When
new
did you-
parties has to be
Yes.
self-only.
When the repayment of the SHG loans is happening, should the banking correspondent charge money for each transaction? How much is